Kapag tumitingin ka, natutunaw ako. Bakit kapag lumalapit ka, kumakabog ang puso ko? Bakit kapag nandito ka, sumasaya ang araw ko? Lahat ng bagay sa akin mo parang magulo. Bakit kapag
on the left-hand side here, this is Stephen Newton Park. There's a Marin Lake, behind it is Waterfront Drive, and then back it is Soft Park, owned by all part of an effort to rejuvenate downtown Winnipeg, make it more attractive to get people out of the suburbs to get back downtown again. Spend money down here. After high-end condos, to get there. See the way it's shaped, the footings, they all slant back into the current here. They're pointed and the spring, the ice breaks up and starts to melt. Sheets of ice will slide up to those steel fronts, and then they'll break back and they'll go back into the water. So that helps expedite the thaw process. This river is unique in that it flows from south to north. Very few rivers do that.